Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert an alpha symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to insert the alpha symbol on your Microsoft Excel web like this, you just need to use your Alt key shortcuts. So for an example, if you're just going inside the insert option, there is no insert symbol or special character option present here. So instead of that, we can use our keyboard shortcut here. So the keyboard shortcut here was Alt plus 224. So you just want to press the Alt key with 224. So I just going to show. First press the Alt key on your keyboard, then press 224. So which create alpha symbol. Press the Alt key on your keyboard, press 224 and leave the Alt key. It automatically create the alpha symbol. The second way is you just use a Windows plus dot. Okay, so just press the Windows key plus dot symbol on your keyboard, which actually opens this box. So here you just click on the symbol option, and then you can just click here. You can see a lot of options out here, and here one of the option, the alpha symbol will be here on this box. So you can find it and you can just insert the alpha symbol by using this option. These are the two ways that you can insert alpha symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.